Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover sales analysis with UPS full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your UPS account on the official UPS website. Navigate to the shipping tab located at the top of the page. Select shipping history from the drop-down menu. Within the shipping history section, locate the reports option on the left side of the screen. Click on reports to access various reporting tools. Choose Sales Analysis from the available report options. Specify the date range for which you want to recover sales data. Ensure that all relevant filters are set to refine your results. Once you've set your parameters, click the Generate Report button. Wait for the system to process your request. After processing, the report will appear on the screen for review. Review the sales data for accuracy and insights. If you need to save the report, click on the download icon. Select the desired file format, such as PDF or Excel. Confirm the download to save the report to your device. For further analysis, you can open the report using spreadsheet software. This will allow you to manipulate the data as needed. Make sure to compare this data with previous sales reports for better insights. If necessary, repeat the process to gather additional data. That concludes the process of recovering sales analysis with UPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.